Welcome students. Today we will discuss next exercise of our NCERT book, that is exercise 2.5. Till now we have discussed all the operation plus, minus, multiplication and division on fractions. Now we will discuss decimal numbers. So till now what we have discussed in decimal, we quickly recall them. So just first of all the expansion. Okay, first of all we will discuss about the expanded form. Okay, so when we talk about the expanded form, if the number is 253.417, so expansion is 2 to be multiplied by 100 because it is ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay, so 5 will be multiplied by 10, then 3 to be multiplied by 1. This is all regarding the numbers before the decimal. 3 to be multiplied by 1, then after the decimal value, how we represent it? It is 1/10. Okay, then 1 is 100th, then 7 is 1000th. So that is the expansion form of the given number. Okay, now we will discuss regarding comparison of the numbers, how we compare them. So now when we compare the number, if you compare 2 and 1, in that case 2 is greater than 1. Okay, now if we are having the similar number 1 and 1, but we are having the decimal points after it. For example, we are having 1.1 and here we are having 1.2. So in that case 1.2 it is greater than 1.1. Okay, means after decimal we compare it. If we are having 1.1 and 1.1, if it is 1.12 and it is 1.14, in that case it will be the greater one. Okay, similarly 1.21 and 1.22, this one is greater. So we continuously comparing the numbers after the decimal point. Now addition and subtraction of the decimal numbers. When we have to add the numbers, okay, for example we are having number 21.36 that need to be added with 37.35. Now see how we will write it. 21.36, next number is 37. Decimal in place of decimal only. Okay, then 35. Now as we are adding, we will add these two. We are getting 11 and one will be add 7. Instead of decimal sign is there, we are adding it. Okay, it is 8 and 5. So that is our answer. We will add in the same way we are adding, but what we will do, we will just take care of the decimal sign. We will put the numbers after decimal in that order and before decimal in the order. Okay, so in that way we will add it. Now how to find the difference, that also in the same way we will find the difference. Okay, so when we are having subtraction, for example we are having the number 29.35 and we are having 4. Take any number, it is 56. Okay, so how you will subtract it? 29.35, we have to subtract 4, so 4 will be here. Okay, decimal will be here only and 6. This you need to be subtract. Now you will take carry, that will be 15. 15 minus 6, we are getting here 9. It is 2. 1 again you will take as carry. Here you will got 7. Then 8, 4, 2 will be as it is. Here no value is there, you can take it as 0. So that is your answer. So addition and subtraction, comparison, all these things we have discussed in the previous classes also. So these all are the summary. Yes, next topic is place value. We have to find out place value. Okay, for example few numbers are given to you for place value. Just consider these numbers. 2.56, again we are having 21.36 37. Then 10.27. One more example we will take, 9.42. So here, what is the place value of 2? It is ones. Place value of 2, tens. Here, place value of 2, it is tenth. It is in the 10th place. It is in the 100th place. Here, if we are having 4, 1, 2, then in the 1000th place. So, in that way, we will find out the place value for the given fractions. Okay. The next topic that we are having, it is the multiplication of the decimal numbers. So now we are having multiplication. Okay. So multiplication of decimal number, first of all we will discuss the multiplication, how we will multiply it. For example, we are having a number, we have to multiply 2.71 by 5. Multiplication is simple as the same we are doing in the multiplication. Only what we have to take care, after the multiplication how to put the decimal sign. For example, first of all we are multiplying it. So it is 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 is here, 3 will be carry, 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 3 it is 13. Now this is the simple multiplication what we are doing. But what we have to take care, just see the decimal. After decimal how many digits are there? 2. So from right hand side we have to put decimal after 2 digits. So that is our answer of the multiplication. Okay. Now we will discuss few of the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. How if we have to multiply by 10, 100 and 1000, how can we simply give the answer without actual multiplication? Okay, so let's see that one. So when we have multiplication with 10, 100 or 1000, means after 1 how many numbers of zeros are there. In that case what we will do, we will just simply change the position of the decimal. How? For example, we are having the number, we have to multiply 0.2, okay, by 10 we have to multiply. So what we will consider? How many zeros are there? 1. So the decimal will change to the 1 position to the right hand side. Okay. The result we are getting as 2. Or if there is any confusion, you can write it as 2.0. Means point is shifting here. Okay. One more example you can see. 2.31. So when you multiply it by 10, where the point will shift? How many zeros are there? 1 0. So it will shift 1 place. So the answer you are getting 23.1. So simply you can give the answer by calculating the number of zeros. Okay, you just shift the decimal point to the right hand side and you can get your answer. Okay, now we will check multiplication by 100. If it is 100. Okay, now this point will shift 2 places, means here the result you are getting as 20.0. If it is 100, it will shift 2 places, means you are getting answer as 231. Okay. Now if we say it is 1000, then it will be 200. If it is 1000, it will be 2310. Okay. So this way we can get our answer without actual multiplication, just shifting the decimal point. So this all is regarding the decimal numbers, its expansion form, place value, as well as its multiplication. So with the help of this explanation, you can easily complete your exercise of your NCERT book, that is exercise 2.5 as well as exercise 2.6. For any confusion, you can message me.